Serious, we need to move out of this house ASAP because Bryce called me from the car and said that there's a mouse behind our fridge, and I can literally hear it. What the heck? Where's the mouse poo?
Right below you, right now. Where you are standing.
We knew we had another mouse, and I have never spoken about it on the vlog, even though I have heaps of footage of us like catching the last mouse, because I was too nervous about the mouse trap hate. But I'm serious, we need to move out of this house ASAP because next door there's this stupid big construction site, and it's like stirred up all these like mice in this like heritage listed building. Anyway, so gross. So we're gonna try and go to sleep with the mouse situation. We'll see what happens. I'll insert some footage of the last night we spent with the mouse, and hopefully we don't have a repeat tonight. Current situation is Bryce dragging this out with a broom. We know the mouse is in there because we can hear him. We're gonna take it out to the balcony and hope that he runs onto the balcony and survives a great fall.
I don't want him to survive a great fall.
I don't want him to die, I'm just sad. I just don't know what to do. This mouse is in our bedroom. How are we meant to go to sleep and be like, yeah, chill, go to sleep, easy. We can rub this off our shopping list. Yeah, there's rats. It's alright, we're used to them. So this current state of our cupboard, I've thrown out anything that's going to expire before we move in, because it's probably just going to all go in storage. This is the very sad state of our fridge. There's like nothing in it. Oh dear. Okay, so I'm currently up in my office slash, I don't know, I call it like the content room because it's where I like create content. What has been put in here, not okay. Killer whale and huge plush toy polar bear, like Bryce's stuff is just things I'd like to throw out, including that beautiful Harry Potter 3D puzzle. I'm gonna start putting away prints and stuff and keeping things nice and just wrapping them up. One?
One's fine. We're going to both be doing it at the same time.
Okay.
And then bubble wrap.
Oh, this is cool. Label tape. I just come home and Bryce has already started packing up our place. I'm so sad. We're just trying to work out how this tape measure thing.
Tape measure?
Well, no, what do you call it? The tape dispenser. How the tape dispenser works so we can start doing our boxes. But it feels so empty in here right now. And on like that painting makes such a big difference that it's not up there now.
It goes in there.
How do you do this?
I have no idea, baby. That's the wrong person.
I feel like we've done this before.
Man, that was brutal doing it with one hand. Anyway, take your tape and just push.
And then you push it off with the little
Well,
thing.
I've got no tape left, so.
I'm using packing as an excuse to eat takeout, but we actually haven't packed any of our kitchen stuff yet. But anyway.
I really don't want to be sprung in this. Still not my fast food.
It's not fast food.
But it took a long time to make it.
Things I think I should just chuck, which are like, these sheets are so cute, but they're like yellowy stained. Yeah. I use these in the spare bedroom in our new place because they don't really match our room anymore. So much dust here. I'm pretty lazy. I threw like a lot of stuff from this top level down here, but it worked. But like nice neat piles that I've carried down. Mess of everything else. Bryce is making up like 1,000 boxes for us while he's watching NHL. So we just moved our outdoor setting. We literally had out there the entire time we lived there, and we did not sit on it, not even once. Not once. This is the outdoor setting. I feel kind of bad. I put it up for like $50 thinking no one would want it, and then I got like 40 bajillion Facebook Marketplace messages. So I kind of think I underpriced it. But anyway, a lady's gonna come and... Sorry?
Yes, you underpriced.
Well, it was an accident. Anyway, a lady's coming to pick it up now, so hopefully she'll be on time because I'm so done with Facebook Marketplace already. So heavy. Trying to cook us up a nice hearty lunch for packing. So I'm nearly finished making the mince, and I realized we've packed up all of our bowls and plates. So one thing we haven't packed up is our beautiful container drawer. So I think we'll be having them in takeaway containers, and then we'll just wash them up. But very annoying. Why do you act like this on camera?
We made this how I am in real life.
No.
Sarah, I'm not dealing with it.
There's nothing to put it in. Put it on a lid.
Yeah, heaps better idea.
Yeah, take away to go and sit on the couch. So something I need to do as we pack up is actually work out what clothes to take, because we're going to be staying at Bryce's parents for like 10 weeks and it's coming into winter, and I need to make up maybe like a bit of a capsule wardrobe or like just a smaller wardrobe to take. Like I obviously use my Glam Corner boxes and things for the majority of my clothes, but I still need clothes for like the other days of the week. So I'm going to try and make a bit of a like some outfits up. So here's where we got to today. This is the pile of stuff that I think I either want to like gift or sell. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time to do like a sell thing on, I want to do like a car boot sale or something for like furniture and stuff we don't want for the house. And then this is my pile of stuff like friends have already messaged me back that they want. If anyone wants this from my friendship group, obviously I'll give it to them. So this is my current wardrobe. I feel like that's pretty good. That's only a meter and a bit worth of clothes. And then in my drawers I only have gym stuff. So yeah, all my like t-shirts and everything are hanging. So this is all my clothes, which probably looks like a lot for some people, but this is pretty consolidated for me. I always do this. I get like halfway through decluttering and I'm like, ugh, the next part's just too hard. I've made just so much mess. All of these clothes I have no idea what I'm gonna do with yet. But yeah, I'm gonna sort it out. Good morning guys, I'm back in the car. Today is officially our big moving day. We've just gone and borrowed a ute. Bryce has gone with the ute to go and start packing and things. Obviously, yeah, I'll help him put everything in the car once we actually get home. Then I'm going to do a massive clean tomorrow, which I'm not really looking forward to because I'm like, no, we're not even living there anymore. I don't want to clean it, but I know why we have to. This is the current state of our house. Most of the big furniture's down here so we can take it in the car. So Bryce and I moved that down today. State of the kitchen, this is all things that need to be like have been used in the dishwasher but weren't packed away in the initial thing. All these no, literally all these cupboards are clear and everything else is not. Fridge is not clear, laundry's not clear. So much to do, so little time. Good morning guys, we're back at the house today. Bryce has spent the whole morning cleaning out the top 2 rooms, so they've got nothing left in them. Yeah, it just feels so weird. It's probably really echoey in here, so sorry about that. And this was our bedroom. I don't think I ever showed you outside, so I can show you that now that we don't live there. Behind that tree is the train, so it's always so loud. So that's this room, and then the bathroom's gonna be my job. I'm gonna clean up the bathroom and put everything away, just like still have things like this out, so I'm gonna do that now. We're heading to Bunnings because
Bunnings warehouse. Well, lower prices are just the beginning.
Do you want to talk?
No.
We own way too much stuff and we didn't buy enough of like paper boxes, so we're gonna go and get that now and then go back to house. We've done the whole top level pretty much finished. Took me ages to clean the bathroom, and Bryce is doing trips back and forth to his parents. So it's been a really big morning. It's only like 2:40 now. Is it 2:40 now? I'm hoping to have this done by 4 o'clock. That's the aim, to have it all done, and then I can do some schoolwork because we're back to school in like a day and I need to do schoolwork because I've done none. Everyone must be moving house. Just get maybe like these and then we'll get some boxes from the front. But we also need paper and I just don't know where the heck it is.
Butcher's paper, yeah. Butcher's paper.
Ah. So I've just unhooked all the washing machine, and then out the front, I just carried this down. It's actually really light, which was good. Our outdoor setting from outside, because someone from Facebook Marketplace is picking that up, and then a different person is picking up the other one. I'm so happy because I'm so sick. Our washing machine is just, it's fine, like it works, but I don't like it, and I would like a front loader. So I'm so happy to be getting rid of that and so happy to be getting rid of the outdoor lounge. The grossest thing at the moment is our vacuum. Look at all that hair. I pulled out like that much because we don't have scissors. It's just taking me ages to pull out the rest. It's so gross. I feel like they just get so rank and then don't do their job. Okay, kitchen is done. Lounge room is done. Bottom bathroom done. Trying to like scrub the walls, and they said to clean all the tracks, which is just taking ages, and the thing just died. I don't know how to clean any of this because there's no hose like thing to clean it. So how am I meant to, I don't know what to do. I'm enlisting Bryce's parents to help because they have a gurney, and other than that, I'm not really sure how to clean the rest of the apartment. But I've done all I feel like I can do without their help. Bryce is at patrol today, so he can't help this morning, but he was going to come around this afternoon if there's still stuff that needed to be done. But I'd really love to get it done for him because he's been working insanely hard, and I want him to like just have it be done for him and for myself, because I need to go home and do schoolwork as well, because school's back tomorrow. And then by the time school holidays comes around next time, we'll be in our new house. Ooh, which is very exciting. So it's our last time in the house today. It's all cleaned up. This is what outside looks like. This is how close we lived to the train station. That's the trains right there. So we're very excited to be leaving. So yeah, last time at the house. Thank you so much for watching our packing vlog. We're very excited to move into our new house, but for now we're living with Bryce's parents. Yay. Very lucky. No, they are so nice for having us, so we're very blessed and lucky and all those good things, but we are going to miss this place. Oh, I thought you were trying to be in it.
I was trying to get out of it. You were so telling, I'm like, I can't get out of it.
Anyway, for watching this one.
Thank you, Carmen.